topic under As They Happen 2020's Information Age Shift. So, next meeting, mag-quiz tayo. So, class dismiss.
Fritz, nagtulog-tulog naman ka din ha?
May
Sa ating
sabihan.
quiz sa STS about sa information age.
Nya, wala pa ko na mati. Matulog lang di ako.
Kayong saon.
Tuluan na lang ko nimo about sa information age. Tapos, kay ditudluan man tika sa SketchUp, game.
Sige, magkita na lang ta ugma sa CA. Kay ugma pa man ang...
Sige. Uy, Shane.
Oh, Fritz, dali na. Tudluan ka.
Unsa tong topic na gi-discuss ni sir last time?
Ang iyang topic na gi-discuss kay As They Happen 2020's Information Age Shift. So it is about the rapid and significant changes that occurred in the year 2020 due to advancements and transformation in the information age.
Like
Yeah.
4G to 5G?
Oo, tama. So, kasabot na kaon sa ang definition sa information age shift.
Dili pa kaayo.
So, okay. So, kanina lang na ako'y example dire sa mga adaptation na nahitabo tong na-introduce ang 5G during mid-pandemic.
Okay.
Aray, oh.
Patanaw be.
Hi guys! Did you know that in the midst of the pandemic, as 5G technology was developed, students and workers adapted to the new ways of staying connected and productive. Remote learning and telecommuting became the norm, enabled by 5G's enhanced connectivity and speed. Educational institutions transitioned to online platforms, delivering high-quality video lectures and interactive virtual classrooms, while teachers used digital tools for real-time collaboration and feedback. So, mauna to ang pandemic remote work and education. Unya, naa ba kay idea about sa mga technological advancements na na-create tungod sa 5G?
Pwede ba smart home devices? Kay like marg naman gatoy time na ay kainit sa hawakan. Hey, turn on the aircon. Ay.
AC is on.
Smart home devices such as smart thermostats, security cameras, and voice-activated assistants are enhanced significantly by the introduction of 5G technology.
So okay na tong smart home devices?
Oo, okay na to. Another example na nag-benefit sa 5G kay ang e-commerce or electronic commerce. Kato siya kay nag-refer sa buying and selling of goods or services online. So basically, ano siya, online shopping like Lazada or Shopee. Like, kani. E-commerce or electronic commerce refers to buying and selling goods and services online. In the information age, it revolutionized business operations and consumer shopping by leveraging digital technology and internet access. These shifts allows businesses to reach global markets and operate continuously while providing consumers with convenient, diverse, and often more affordable shopping options. So, unsa pa man tong imong maisip na nahitabo pagka-introduce sa 5G?
Feel na ko nag-increase ang cybersecurity. Kay like sa mga land bank, BDO, and GCash, nagasend na sila OTP before ka mag-withdraw.
Tama, kay pag-shift nato sa digital o remote workspace kay nag-increase pod ang cyber attacks, ang scams, og ang data breaches which resulted sa heightened cybersecurity like online banking na nagayos na sila og OTP or one-time password. Yeah.
Wait lang ha.
Nag-alarm lagi siya, Fritz.
Actually, fitness tracker na ko ni siya. Kina-record na rin kung paano sa dapat ko mag-inom og tubig, akong heart rate, akong sleeping pattern, o physical activity na himuon ako throughout the day. Convenient po ni siya. Kay number 1, it's free. Number 2, less time with physician. And number 3, improves health.
Mag-download na ba kog fitness tracker? Like this, or this? If yes, mag-subscribe mo sa among channel. If no, please like our video. So mauna na siya ang atong last topic, which is ang health technological advancements. Kay ang fitness tracker na belong to siya or isa to siya sa example sa health technological advancements.
To summarize the topic about as they happen 2020 information age shift, it refers to the rapid adoption of digital technologies during COVID-19 pandemic. This includes the increased use of remote work tools, online educational platforms, and rollout of 5G. This advancement reshape how people learn, think, and interact, highlighting the critical role of digital infrastructure in modern society.
Yeah, tama.
Now,
Now, you
you know.
know.